Demystifying 1099 Reporting, the ultimate guide for freelancers and entrepreneurs. Hey there, savvy entrepreneurs and freelancers. Welcome back to our channel where we cover all things related to finance and business. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of 1099 reporting, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're not just covering the basics. We're diving deep to help you save money and avoid tax headaches. Stick around because your financial success is just moments away. Stay till the end to protect your hard-earned cash from unnecessary fines. Before we get started, let me tell you why you must master 1099 reporting. 2 words: huge fines. For each form you did not file, penalties range between $60 to $310 per form for 2023. Furthermore, there are different forms for different types of income. By the end of this video, you'll discover how to maximize deductions, save big on taxes, and avoid costly mistakes. And trust me, the knowledge you gain here can make a significant impact on your financial well-being. What is a 1099? First things first, what exactly is a 1099 form, and why should you care? Well, a 1099 is a tax form that reports income earned from various sources other than traditional employment. It's a critical piece of the tax puzzle for freelancers, independent contractors, and small business owners. You might receive a 1099 MISC, 1099 NES, or other variants depending on the type of income you earned. Now let's break down the different types and who's responsible for sending them. There are several types of 1099 forms, each serving a specific purpose. Let's quickly go through the most common ones. 1099 NEC. Non-employee compensation, 1099, MISC. Miscellaneous income, 1099, INT. Interest income, 1099, DIV. Dividends, 1099, B. Broker and barter exchange transactions. It's crucial to know which 1099 form you should be using or expecting to receive. Different forms are used for different types of income. Now, let's tackle the big question. Who needs to file a 1099 and receive one? As a general rule of thumb, if you pay an individual or a business more than $600 in a tax year for services or other income, you must send them a 1099 form. This applies to freelancers, contractors, and anyone you've paid as part of your business. And if you provide services and earn income, you should be ready to receive 1099s from your clients. So, how do you go about reporting your 1099 income and ensuring you're compliant with the IRS? Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Step 1. Gather your 1099s. Step 2. Verify the information. Step 3. Complete your tax return. Step 4. Keep records. Remember, it's vital to cross-check the amounts on your 1099s with your records. Discrepancies can lead to IRS audits, and we definitely want to avoid those. Now, the part we all dread, penalties and deadlines. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Failing to report your 1099 income can result in hefty fines. The deadline for sending 1099s to recipients is January 31st, and the deadline for filing with the IRS is February 28th, if filing by mail, or March 31st, if filing electronically. To make your life easier, there are various tools and resources available. From tax software to tax professionals, you don't have to navigate the 1099 reporting maze alone. Many software programs can help you generate and file your 1099s. Plus, you can always consult with a tax professional for expert advice. Reach out to us if you require assistance with your 1099 reporting. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to 1099 reporting. It may seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge and resources, you can conquer tax season like a pro. Remember, staying informed and diligent is the key to smooth sailing through tax season. Now, before you go, don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful. As always, leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more finance and business tips. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay financially savvy.